Hey everyone, Mike here with Home Show Coating. I find myself with my new friend Roberta out of Naples, Florida. Now Roberta has a really interesting story. She bought textured coatings, Tex-Cote, 25 years ago, you would say?
1993.
Since 1993, she's a big fan of the company, loves the product. By the way, Tex-Cote is a good product. She called them recently to say, hey, I got textured coatings on the house. We're having some small issues. Can you guys come out and take care of this? And their response was, what they quote you?
$34,000.
$34,000. Now,
Couldn't afford it.
Absolutely couldn't afford it. Now, Roberta, do you have a butler or a chauffeur?
Lord, no, I'm 88 years old. This house is when Mike gets done with it, it'll outlive me, and it'll outlive my brother. I'm having it done because my brother's going to take over the house after I pass on, and he won't have to paint. And then if he decides to sell, the contract goes.
It transfers.
Transfers.
Yeah, it transfers.
So it's a good product. I'm happy.
You know, and again, what a selfless act. Her story is wonderful. She says, you know what, I want to get this done because when my brother takes over the property, I don't want to have to worry about anything. And I just think that's great. But unfortunately, she couldn't afford the $34,000. They quoted her to redo the house. And we're taking care of her. I think we're giving her a good deal. We're actually going to wash her roof for free as well. The biggest takeaway here is there's a human side to business. You can't just come out and look at sales numbers and profits. You know, Roberta, she's a sweet lady. She's on a fixed income. She doesn't have a butler. She doesn't have a chauffeur. She lives in a modest house, I would say, right? Beautiful home, but it's a modest house. There's absolutely no reason to charge her $34,000 to do this.